Good morning, significant participants of room 118. How are you guys? We're embarking on our second week of distant learning, and I just wanted to say good morning and find out how are y'all doing. I miss our time together. I miss your faces. I miss your funniness. I miss your questions. I just miss us being together. So as you know, yesterday, I'm pretty sure your LA teachers and maybe your social studies teachers or science teachers did some Zoom meetings with you, and I'm going to set one up for Thursday for us, and I would really love everybody in the class to try to be able to get on. It's fun that I can have all of you seeing each other and talking and sharing some things. This week in distance learning, you're going to be covering two-step equations, and tomorrow it will be Thursday, will be two-step equations with distribution property. And I wanted to make sure you remember that distribution property is like this. And it has that number on the outside of the parentheses. So don't forget, this number must be multiplied by this and this. And this goes together. So this is going to be 3 times 4x is 12x. And then plus 2, so plus 3 times 2 is 6 equals 18. And then we just simplify. So we would take 6 away, and sorry about that. This would be 12. This would be 12x. And then we want to get the x by itself or isolated. So we're going to divide by whatever number is with that to get rid of it. And that is x equals 1. So that would be our answer. Okay. You have a little lesson with that, and you have some guided practice, and then you have some practice on your own. So you will be getting a weekly grade. 1 weekly grade each week for distance learning. So please be mindful and just do your integrity and your honesty. We are allowed to use calculators, and so there are some online calculators that I'm going to post in. It will be in with my email. You can always use Desmos.com. I told you that on Tuesday last week, but I'll be including some more information in the email that I'm sending out this morning. So I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're taking care of your physical body and getting out and working out or doing some physical activity. And I know that you're keeping in touch with your friends because you can do that on your devices, which is really cool. But I know you two probably miss meeting together. So let's get together on Zoom on Thursday and have a pun for you. I took the shell off of my racing snail because I thought it might make it lighter and go faster, but it really just made it more sluggish. Bye.